These elegant Italian-made windowed bottle carrier boxes are ideal to package your bottles of olive oil, vinegar, or hot sauce. The boxes are made with craft paperboard that is durable enough to hold glass bottles securely. The top carrying handle allows you to transport your bottles with ease. Die-cut windows open inwards to help hold bottles in place while showing off the labels. These bottle carriers ship and store flat to conserve storage space. Auto-lock bottoms make them easy to assemble, and tab-lock top closure keeps the boxes securely closed. To assemble your carriers, begin by gently pushing the sides of your box until the auto bottom is locked. Then push in your die-cut windows. Now it's time to load your bottles. Now press the sides of your carrier inward at the creased areas, then fasten the locking tab closure. Pop out your pre-cut handle, and your carrier is complete. Visit splashpackaging.com for more attractive and durable ways to package your gourmet bottle items.